really easy tablescape idea to create a romantic sweetheart table using a fuchsia, peach, and blush color palette. Let's jump right in! Thanks for watching! You can shop the products used in this video in the description below or on our website cblinens.com. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell to receive notifications for our latest videos. Thank you again and see you next time!